Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am Emeline Guardiano, 20 years old. I am currently studying at Palawan State University with a BS Tourism Management course po.
Hello, Emily, right?
Yes.
If you will be given a chance to discuss a social issue with our city leaders, what social issue would it be?
If I will discuss the social issue po, I think this is the Can you repeat the question?
Bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na mag-discuss ng isang social issue sa ating mga city leaders. Anong social issue ang gusto mong iparating at bakit?
I think yung pagiging responsible po nating mga Filipino, tayong mga mamayan na dapat when it comes to segregating the garbage po, lalo na sa mga barangay na hindi nagpapatupad ng mga cleaning program po. Yun po yung ko na problem or issue sa ating mga leaders po. Thank you.